Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another freaking video, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to go from this to this using these. These is lash clusters. I repeat, lash clusters. I ordered these from TikTok shop. And I ordered these from Amazon, but I'm not using these. I'm using these because they just look so much good. And I feel like I ate. So, rule number one is, okay, so all your lashes, when you order lash clusters, they all should come with glue and tweezers. This glue right here comes with the bond and the seal. So, you want to take whatever type of glue you have. Make sure I open the right side. Take whatever type of glue you have. Babe, I'm just getting straight to the point. And you want to just apply it to your natural lashes. Type shit. Add it to your lashes. And sorry if I'm looking up there and not at the camera. I got a mirror behind y'all bookie. So after you add your glue, you want to let that dry for about 20 seconds. And I always start in my corner with a 10. I'm going to go 10 in the corner. So we're going to start off with 10. You just want to use these other tweezers. You just want to clip it and hold it like that. And you just want to, it's hard looking at the mirror and trying to, okay, I'm going to get another 10 and put it right before I place this one. I'm going to add some glue on this because there's some glue at the tip on the line. Let that dry for a good 10, 15 seconds. And boogie. You're going to take that mug. It's so hard looking in the camera and at the thing. Okay, like, why it ain't coming off the dang tweezers? Y'all, glue be getting all on my tweezers, and it be, the lash be just sticking to the, Okay. Now I'm about to get 12. Go in with the 12. So far we got 10, 10. And then this is a 12. Ooh, in my eye. 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 On my waterline. Whoa, that was on my waterline. Woo. Caught my waterline. Dang. That was a 12. I'm going to go in with another 12. Going in with another 12. It's hard looking in the camera. Okay, gotta go in with some more blue glue. Go in with that real quick. Go back in with the 12. Another 12. Now I'm about to go 14. Another 14. Gotta go in with some glue, y'all. Y'all see that? Now we about to stack. So I'm gonna go in with 12 and stack. So when you stack, you low-key wanna put it. See, I can't look in the camera, so. But when you stack, you wanna put it like on top, like before, not underneath the lash you put on before, but like on top of it. Like that. Oh, hold on. Stuck to the tweezer. Tweezer got glue on it. Type shit. I'm going back in with another 12. Going in with 14. going in with 12. Y'all see them? Do y'all see them though? I'm trying to make sure they both look the same. And they look the same to me. Brush them a little bit. I got one on cross-sided. But how could you tell? They look good to me. Now we're going to go back in with our seal. We're going in with seal, not fine. And just tap it. Go in with your seal. You just want to go under. And just seal them together like that. And baby, you done. What y'all think? I ate per. If you like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and continue to vibe with your girl Crit. I went from 10, 12, 14. 10, 12, 14, and just stacked them with 12 and 14. And we got this look. See y'all in the next video.